What's up, guys? Let's talk about organizing and storing your knives. The goal with storing knives is to decrease wear and tear. I love the satisfaction of opening up my collection, organized all in one place. Now, whether you're looking for transport, display, security, or simply just convenient storage, here's a few options we recommend. Protective cases. Good protective cases are built tough. They're crush-proof, weather-proof, dust-proof, fully sealable, and can be locked. Depending on the number of blades you have, this Pelican bolt is one of the better options on the market. You can purchase it with pre-carved foam slots, which gives it a very neat aesthetic and quick access. However, my biggest issue with these pre-cut foams is that they only fit medium-sized blades, so you may want to consider making your own personalized slots. They also do have larger Pelicans such as the V200, and there are smaller single blade cases on the market as well. A smaller Pelican option I like is this ruck case. You can fit a few of your favorite knives or store some of your other EDC items alongside your go-to blade. This Voltec LifePod is one of my favorite options. Not only does it have this awesome rugged shell, it's waterproof and has one of the best keypad locking systems. It opens with these dual latches once the passcode is initiated. Originally, these were crafted for handguns, but it also works extremely well for storing your knives. And next, we have knife rolls. Knife rolls are a pretty classic form of knife storage. The Burrito Grande by NAFS is a really solid option. What's great about knife rolls is they're generally not too bulky or large, which makes it great for placing into other bags or luggage, and they have a high capacity. This roll holds up to 17 knives and fits many different sizes of blades. However, I was a bit disappointed that it didn't fit some of our longer blades such as the Humvee, and as you can see, even this Nightcore flashlight, which isn't too big, does not fit here. You can squeeze them in, but sadly this burrito does not roll up nicely. Another thing I do also like is you can hang it up and it becomes like a clothing rack for your blades. Now, more decorative storage options are display cases. For all you diehards who want to protect your precious blades and love the idea of visually displaying them, this is a suitable option. This here is the Armory by Holman Hatfield. There are a variety of display configurations on the market, but this one is a good balance of size and sleek presentation. A great home or office option. Last but not least, I think it's worth mentioning knife sheets and pouches. These are very casual configs, maybe only own a single knife. Great way to store them. It does protect the blade. There are a wide variety of storage options for your knives. It all comes down to your needs and your preferences, but remember, the main goal is to decrease wear and tear, and you should avoid leaving your blade in the sun or exposed to moisture. I hope this was helpful. Leave a comment below or contact us for more information. See y'all soon.